Can you recover your Snapchat account locked for security? Well, the answer is yes, but it depends. First, what you want to do is you want to simply visit your Snapchat login page, and here you want to simply type it out your email address and password and simply try to log in once. If you are able to sign in, you won't be having any kinds of problem. However, if you are not eligible to unlock your security, you want to simply contact the Snapchat support team. You want to simply search for Snapchat recovery. For that, you want to go to the official Snapchat support page, and here you want to simply specify your problem with the AI bot over here. And what you can also do is you want to simply scroll down all the way from here, tap on no on this was this article helpful. By doing so, you'd be able to submit your problem over here. What you want to basically do is specify all the details of your problem and contact the official Snapchat team. By doing so, within 2 to 3 business days, the official Snapchat team will reach out to you through your email, and if your appeal is valid, you will be able to recover your account as well. Hope this video is helpful, and if you have any further questions, do comment down below.